Did you know that inflammation is the main root cause of many diseases and ailments in the body? If you have too much inflammation in the body, you will not feel good and feel tired and fatigued. This is why it's very important to remove the inflammation from the body. We have a powerful tonic that will help you remove the inflammation from your body. Turmeric and cinnamon are one of the most delicious and powerful natural ways to fight inflammation in the body. Cinnamon is also very high in antioxidants. It's rich in calcium and manganese, which help in improving the immune system, and is also very good for the heart. Turmeric has been used for more than 4,000 years as a natural remedy to fight inflammation, improve digestion, lower the cancer risk, and improve the function of the heart and brain. Turmeric is also very good to get rid of joint pain and is good for the skin as well. Turmeric and cinnamon are safe with no side effects. They may be worth a try for their potential health benefits. We also have a third ingredient, which is green tea, which is a rich source of polyphenols, which help in removing free radicals and preventing chronic diseases. Green tea. Green tea regulates blood sugar, helps weight loss, fights inflammation in the gut, and lowers bad cholesterol while increasing good cholesterol. Green tea also helps to boost liver health, also good for losing weight, and lowers the risk of heart attacks. You have so many health benefits from these amazing ingredients. Now, here is how to prepare this miraculous drink. Cinnamon turmeric iced tea recipe. Ingredients: 1/4 of a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon turmeric, 1 to 2 tablespoons black or green loose leaf tea, 1 teaspoon stevia or honey. Lemon slices are optional. Instructions: add the ingredients to the bottom of a French press, add hot water to about the halfway point, and leave to steep for 5 minutes. Stir once pressed and leave the mixture to cool. Then, add ice cubes, pour the tea into a mug, and add the lemon slices. Enjoy and naturally fight inflammation in the body.